Hi everybody, welcome to a live with Chaudhry here at Pharmapack Europe in Paris. I'm delighted to be at the Biocorps booth with Chantal Wierckx, and we're going to find out a bit more about Biocorps and what they're talking to visitors about this week. So first of all, Chantal, bonjour, how are you?
Oh, I'm very fine, and you?
I'm very, very well. Now, before we talk about what you're talking to visitors about here, for viewers who are not familiar with Biocorps, could you give me a quick overview of Biocorps and your own roles?
Yeah, so I'm Business Development Director at Biocorps. I joined the company about 4 years ago, and Biocorps is specialized in the design and manufacture of innovative drug delivery devices and connected devices.
Brilliant. Now, I came to the Biocorps booth in October for Pharmapack 2021. So what's been happening since I last met you in October?
Yeah, so since October, lots of things happened actually. About 3 weeks ago, we attended the ATTD Diabetes Conference in Barcelona, where Sanofi presented for the first time the Solo Smart, which is the one-piece smart cap solution of Malia that we specifically designed for them. So this is a product that will be CE marked very soon and produced by Biocorps. And furthermore, at this event, we have at the Innovation Gallery a brand new product, which is a non-connected product that is called Sween. And I will be pleased to learn you a little bit more about this product.
Fantastic. So yeah, please talk me through Sween. So who is it targeted to, and what the benefits are, and how can it help patients?
Yeah, so Sween actually is a product that we developed for people suffering from trypanophobia, which is an intense fear of needles. So what it actually does is that it helps the patient to mechanically and smoothly insert the needle inside the skin, because actually, as you know, there are many persons that need to perform daily injections.
Sure.
And we noticed that up to 10-15% of them may experience fear, anxiety, and even panic attacks. So this could lead to missed doses, or this could lead to a really bad compliance to their medical treatment plan. So we thought, let's work on a solution that could offer them more serenity to perform their injections.
Brilliant. So do you have one here?
Yeah, indeed. I have one here. You can see it here. And if you like, I can give you a demonstration of how it works. Yeah. So I have here one pen injector, so it's suitable with disposable and reusable pens. So the patient will just need to slide this cap and then put the pen inside the device until this blue cap here.
Yep.
Then he can fold it back down, and we lock the device. You can see here some numbers actually that will correspond to the different dimensions of the different pens that can be used. Because this is a device that we developed not only for insulin pens, but it can also be used for other therapeutic areas, such as growth hormone or fertility.
Right.
So once inserted, the patient picks up his needle.
Yep.
And then screws the needle on the pen. Then he can remove the cap and the protection. And the idea now is to get rid of the needle in the mind of the patient, so the patient will withdraw the pen and can place Sween up to the skin, which offers a very stable positioning in any way. And then even without watching the needle, he can just push this button here.
Yep.
And then, wow, the needle has been introduced inside the skin and can perform the injection.
Fantastic.
So yeah, it's very easy, and we think that this is a product that can be used by children, by parents, by older people, in home use, in hospital use. So we hope to have this to the market next year in Europe.
It's very futuristic. It reminds me of Star Trek actually, when they use the injectors then. So that's really, really exciting.
Yeah.
So brilliant. And what else are you talking to people about here this week?
So here this week we're also speaking about other activities that we perform, such as dosing filling and our, let's say, more traditional devices, the packaging device, primary packaging.
Fantastic. Now, if people can't make it to the show this week, where else can we get more information?
So we have lots of information on our website, and we will put on the movies on LinkedIn, the social media and so on. So don't hesitate, come and have a look on our website, or come and meet us here if it's possible.
So if you're here at Pharmapack, everybody, then please come and visit the Biocorps booth. It's booth G68. And if you can't make it, then you can check out the Biocorps website and check out the LinkedIn page. They're very active these days on LinkedIn. And I know Chantal is contactable on LinkedIn as well, so you can message her there or leave a comment below the video. So Chantal, it's lovely to see you. Thank you for doing the video.
Thank you for
First time she's done this, everybody, so I think she's done a great job. So thank you very much for doing the video. And viewers, I hope you found that interesting. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.